Hi, you're watching Junokeebs, and these are the Zuoce Macaron linear keyboard switches. The Macarons are an exciting new linear switch from Chinese manufacturer Zuoce, featuring an impressive factory lube and great value for money, at just £2 for 10 switches. The Macarons are available exclusively at thockexchange.com, and you can get yours by clicking the link in the video description below. Let's take a look at some of the specs of these switches. They have a POM stem for really low friction, and honestly one of the best factory lube jobs I've seen from a switch at this price point. They also come with a 21mm spring. The switch has an operating force of 42 grams and a really satisfying bottom out force of 47 grams, with 2mm of pre-travel. They have a polycarbonate top housing. For me, the bottom housing is where it gets interesting. It's made from PA66 plastic, reinforced with 30% glass fibre. I think this is what gives the Macaron its really satisfying sound. Let me know what you think when we get to the sound tests. The first keyboard we're going to try the Macarons in is a Canon Keys Back-in Echo 65. It has an aluminium enclosure, it's O-ring gasket mounted, no foam, no tape mod, wholly modded Durock stabilisers, and Novel Keys Cherry PBT Milkshake Weirdo keycaps. The next board we're going to try is a Record Alice V2, which is essentially an Owlab Spring clone. This one has an FR4 plate, an aluminium enclosure, tape mod, all the foams in the PCB and the case. The keycaps are Novel Keys PBT Olivia. Lastly, as a bit of a budget sound test, an ABM 066, it's all plastic, it's got a foam and tape mod, tune stabilisers and some GMK dot clone keycaps. I just want to point out that the keyboard, keycaps and the Zuoce Macaron switches all come to about £60, which is about $80 US. This is a real budget board, it sounds way better than it has any right to for what's in there, but just let me know what you think. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Zuoce Macarons. For me, I feel like they would be worth it even if they were twice as expensive as they are. And like I said before, they're £2 for 10 switches, which is just crazy value for how good they sound, how satisfying they are to type on, and the overall quality of the switch. Zuoce are making some really good stuff at the moment. I'm really excited to make some more videos on their switches. I can't wait to get hold of some more. If you'd like to buy your own, there's a link to these switches on the Thock Exchange in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think of these switches in the comments below. I'd also really appreciate it if you could give me some honest feedback about this video. It's the first video that I've put out here on YouTube. Put a lot of effort into it, I'm really proud of it. If you like the content, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. Click the like button, press the notification bell, let me know what you'd like to see in the future. And if there's anything else you'd like to say as well, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Thank you very much.